Welcome, welcome, welcome once again to the Grand Connection EDUnetworking community. We have an incredible opportunity for you on June the 20th and the 21st. That is from 10 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. We have 30 speakers from our incredible community members who are going to be sharing their wisdom with you. Day one is all about mindset, inspiration, and action. And day two is about marketing, sales, systems, and finance. And we have a few of our members today here to tell you about their incredible grand talk. There's lots of opportunity for networking, as well as you will receive thousands of dollars worth of gifts just by registering. And you will receive our Grand Connection magazine with all these talks available to watch within the magazine. So you want to register for this event. grandconnection.ca. The information will be down below. But let me introduce you to our first great speaker that we have coming up here at the Grand Connection Business Growth Buffet. Her name is Wendy Page Sterling. She is an intuitive leadership mentor. She empowers women in business to trust their intuition and amplify their I can voice. Featured on NBC and Good Day LA, she's a speaker, two-time international best-selling author, and host of the Power in the Pause podcast. Wendy's spiritual approach elevates clients to extraordinary success in life as well as in business. Wendy, I'm so excited to hear your talk. Tell us what it is going to focus on. Welcome.
Thank you. Well, it is wonderful to be here, and it is an honor to be amongst such an elite group of people speaking. So I'm really excited to share a conversation with everyone who attends all around how it is that each of you get to start taking intuitive ownership of what I call your unicorn oneness. And really, at the end of the day, what that means is that your intuition is what is guiding you to stand out, to be a disruptor like a unicorn, and to see that as your superpower. So in our conversation that we will be having next week, I am going to help each of you to really step into and own your individual uniqueness. I'm going to help you to transform your challenges and see them as what I call stepping stones and opportunities, because let's be honest, we all face storms, but it's really not about the storm itself. It's really about how do you get through to the other side of it. And finally, I am going to help each of you to lead with what I call authenticity, because at the end of the day, your truth, your authentic self is at the heart of who it is that you are as a true unicorn and a disruptor. So I really am looking forward to helping each of you to embrace your inner unicorn, to inspire others, and to really see it as your superpower. And, you know, at the end of the day, like I think we're all trying to figure out a way to shine and to stop blending in. And so our conversation will assist you in doing that and having your intuition be your guide. So looking forward to it.
Me too. Oh my goodness. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. And it's the truth. We got to listen to that internal voice of wisdom. Thank you, Wendy, for doing what you do. So excited to hear your talk. Thank you. And I'd like to introduce you to our next speaker. His name is Dr. Eric Zuley, and he's a celebrated philanthropist, best-selling author. He really, truly amplifies voices and ignites change through his influential empire, Easy Way family, with a social media battalion of over 150,000 loyal followers and a network reaching in the millions. His strategic virtuosity has been featured on major platforms, NBC, ABC, TMZ, and E! He has been honored with an honorary doctorate in humanitarian services, and he continues to inspire through his impactful community involvement. Eric, tell us what you're going to focus on during your talk. at the Business Growth Buffet.
Thanks, Carol. I need to borrow that introduction from you guys. That was I haven't heard that one before. It's actually 1 million followers on Instagram, and we have an amazing community. And what I'm going to be talking about to all of your amazing Grand Connection members is, as it shows on the bottom of the screen there, how to take your community and turn it into cash. So basically creating cash from community. And nowadays, with the industry being what it is, everything is Zoom or podcast or Restream, StreamYard. It's all digital. And we've been able to create a pretty consistent community, close to 7 figures of 3,000 members. So we know a little bit about what we're talking about. And a lot of people are building the numbers, but they're not converting the numbers. They're not actually set up. They're not perfecting their package. They're not polishing their pitches. They're not, positioning for profits. So as you're building community, I'm going to also tell you guys how you can position that community to be profitable, and as well as how to have your community turn into a sales army for you and your network. I'm going to also be giving away, anybody that does join and attends. I'm a professional interviewer. Been doing it for over 20 years. I've interviewed some of the biggest and best in the business. I've shared stages with Les Brown and Sharon Lechter and Brian Tracy, and on and on and on. And so I say that to say that my influence is quality people that follow me on social media. And so when I do post something, I get around 100,000 or so likes, and it's very engaging. And so anybody that actually follows up on my VIP gift, I don't know, the VIP gift or the regular gift, I have two giveaways for you guys. One is going to be, we're going to post you to 1 million people on Instagram through our news network, easywaynews.com. And two is we're going to interview you guys for the VIPs, and our interviews go out to a lot of people. We have about 10 million viewers on our network, Easyway Network. You can scan the QR code if you want to know more. And so it's a great way to get to more people that hopefully you'll use my advice to actually position those people for your profits, and to make not only your business more profitable, but your clients more profitable. Because really that's what it's about. It's about the people that follow you and about the clients that support you, the sponsors, and so on and so forth.
Absolutely. Thank you. Very generous gifts too. Thank you so much, Eric. Looking forward to your talk. So let me introduce you to our last member here for this restream. And his name is Greg Dixon. He is the Chief Enabler at Shared Visions Unlimited. They transform ideas into impactful multimedia productions. With expertise in literature, technology, and marketing, he offers end-to-end services from book formatting to online course creation and strategic marketing. Greg's passion for storytelling ensures personalized attention and expert guidance for every project. Greg, tell us about your talk that you're going to focus on during the conference.
Yeah, I'm going to be talking about the golden publishing sales machine. I have a background in creating online courses and also helping people write and publish their books, print books and ebooks, and market them. So I'm smooshing it together in this golden publishing sales machine. So it really can be anything. One of the great things about helping is you never know who's going to walk in the door. It could be a novel, could be a ghost story, could be family stories, whatever. And the multimedia part comes in, and I create a thing called the Digital Experience Edition, which has anything. It could be audio, it could be video, could be downloadable stuff, could be anything. I've got a created thing for the Rocket Norton Vault, which is pretty much all of his artistic achievements for as much of his life. There's more to go in there. And so my gift is going to be a surprise, a multimedia membership program where that provides instructions on how to do it yourself, step by step. And also, if you want me to do it, then I'm available too, because that's often why people call us, because they don't want to do it themselves. So yeah, that's it. So if whatever your story is, whatever your book, whatever it is you want to publish and get out there in the world, that's what I'm here to do and help with. That'll be my discussion and the gift.
Beautiful. Thank you. Thank you, Greg. And there's so many people that have so many great stories to tell. Absolutely. So thank you for what you do. Now, Susan, this is a great opportunity for everybody. It's free, right? So what do you have to add?
It is free. Oh my gosh. I love our buffet. This is our third business growth buffet. And I think, is it our 6th conference? We are so excited. It's just a fabulous opportunity to meet Grand Connection members, have inspiring talks. And these are not long talks. They're curated, the best of the best. They're golden recipes of success that are going to inspire you, give you new skills. And of course, they share a variety of gifts, as you've heard a few of them today, that are absolutely fabulous and so generous with all of the attendees. So we just look forward to seeing you. There's going to be lots of networking at the Grand Connection. Our focus here is on creating grand connections. Those are the meaningful relationships with other business peers to form collaborations with people you know, like, and trust. And collaborations can be in many ways: podcast interviews, shows, summits, doing books together, creating programs together, selling each other's products, referrals. There's so many ways that you can collaborate, and the members of our community are doing that together. And we'd love you to come. Invite, anybody that's excited about starting a business, or if they have a business that they want to take to the next level, or if collaboration is something new for them and they want to take part in it. You can invite your neighbor if you hear them talking about starting a business, or as Carolyn, you always say, your aunt's best friend. Like, there's so many different people you could be inviting, because this is one of our events that is actually open and free for everybody, because we want to share the excitement of collaboration and all of these great talks, all of these gifts, and provide you with an experience where you get to network with people in breakout rooms live on Zoom in our format that's special to the Grand Connection. Carolyn, is there anything else you want to add?
Yes. Of course. There is. So people, mark it in your calendar, June 20th and 21st. It's from 10 a.m. until 2:30 p.m. Pacific time. So you can weave in and out. So you are seeing clients, you can come on. So you can come on and off whenever it's convenient for you, because this is free. So the information's down below. You can go to grandconnection.ca. So this is a great opportunity if you want to learn more about marketing, sales, mindset, inspiration, action, systems, processes. So you will also, just by registering, receive the beautiful Grand Connection magazine, which has every one of these talks. Each speaker has a 2-page spread that you can find out all about them, their bio, their links, their gifts, and their talk. So just register. Just register right now, because you'll forget. Okay. So just make sure that you go to the link down below, or go to grandconnection.ca. So we look forward to seeing you at the Business Growth Buffet. And I just want to thank, with all my heart, the incredible members that came on today. Thank you, Wendy. Thank you, Eric. Thank you, Greg, for how you serve your businesses and your communities with all the business expertise that you bring. So we will see you on June 21st or June 22nd. Thank you.